Tired of dealing with shipping and inventory for your Magento store? Looking for an easier way to get products to customers faster? Today, we're talking about fulfillment services for Magento and how they can help. What are fulfillment services for Magento? Fulfillment services are like your backstage crew. They store, pack, and ship your products. They connect with Magento, so everything is automatic. How does this work? Your Magento store connects to the fulfillment service. When an order comes in, they pick, pack, and ship it automatically. Inventory updates in real time. Why you should care. Fulfillment services save you time. Focus on growing your business, not shipping. They also grow with you. No need for more staff or space. Choosing the right fulfillment provider. Choose a provider that works well with Magento, has reasonable rates, and has multiple warehouses. Check out ShipBob, ShipMonk, and Shipwire. In-house vs. outsourced fulfillment. In-house fulfillment means more costs and stress. Outsourcing is more accessible and more scalable. Common challenges and solutions. Inventory issues or high shipping costs can happen. Use good inventory management, automate tasks, and negotiate shipping rates. Consider a Magento fulfillment service to save time, grow, and keep customers happy. If this helped, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.